Det vil si at når du hjelper deg selv, så får du hjelp av Gud. Men hvis du ber til Gud om hjelp, og sitter og venter på hjelpen, ja, da støtter du ikke skaperverket. Ergo blir du passiv, og du blir sittende fast. Vi skal komme mer inn på disse aspektene senere, utover i, som sagt, denne bloggen.
Life doesn't know how to use numbers that never end. It knows how to use whole numbers like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. It knows how to use those, but it doesn't know how to use this other one. And so life figured out this amazing thing, which Fibonacci, this man, discovered a long time ago. And that is that if you look at this series of numbers, Fibonacci is a series. It begins out with 0, and then it goes to 1, then 1 again, then 2, then 3, then 5, then 8, then 13, then 21, then 34, then 55, then 89, and 144. It goes on. And this is the sequence here that continues forever. And if you look at it, all it is you add 1 to 1, you get 2. You add 1 and 2, and you get 3. You add 2 and 3, and you get 5. You add 3 and 5, and you get 8. It's pretty simple. You just add the last number to the middle number, and you get the next number. But if you divide these numbers, if you divide 1 into 1, you get 1, and this number is under this golden mean proportion. If you divide 1 into 2, you get 2, which is over the number, but it's closer to the actual number. Then when you divide 2 into 3, you get 1.5, which is closer to this, but it's under. And then when you divide 3 into 5, you get 1.666667, which is over. And if you watch this, it goes under, then over, then under, then over, then under, and over. And the number keeps getting closer and closer and closer to the golden mean. By the time you get 34 into 55, 1.6176 is getting very close. Now if I can see the nautilus shell image. This is a nautilus shell. It's been cut in half. And what's happening here, these chambers at first are kind of broken and very strange, because this is 1, then 2, then 3, then 5, then 8, then 13, 21, 34, 55, 89. These are unfolding, and it says as they get higher, they get closer and closer and closer and closer to this perfect golden mean. You can see it taking place right before your eyes in this shell. And this is what life does in order to get around the fact that it can't use these complex numbers, but it can use single-digit numbers only, like 1 and 2 and 3. And life uses this not only in your bodies, in everything. In everything alive on Earth. I don't care what it is, I don't care where it came from, even if it was from another world. This is what it uses to unfold this.